This video is brought to you by Squarespace.com. I designed my website on Squarespace, and so can you. Start your business, increase your sales, use Squarespace.com with code TOMSTEFANIC with the link in the description. Oops. We are in Denver. I'm sort of glad to be home. I mean, like, Tokyo was amazing. I really enjoyed it. Thank you, Tokyo, for having me. I am heading home for like 25 hours before I head out again to go to New York. I'm really excited to be going to New York. Can't wait for that. What I'm not excited about is my 5.5 hour layover in Denver. This is why you check your flight schedule before you book it. 5-hour layovers are probably like the 7th worst thing known to mankind. While we're here though, I wanted to take a second to give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Squarespace.com. Tom, what's Squarespace and why should I care about Squarespace? Okay, let me tell you, Squarespace is the best and most amazing platform to design a website. I've never designed a website in my life before, and when I needed to make TomStefanic.com, I hopped on Squarespace. It took me like an hour to make a website. This is with literally no experience. It took me an hour to make a website that looks pretty freaking awesome. Squarespace makes it easy with a bunch of different Squarespace makes it easy with a bunch of different templates and designs. They have direct to Instagram sales, which is one of the best features that they have. Of course, you can set up all your e-commerce needs through Squarespace. Their analytics are amazing. Their order fulfillment is amazing. You can directly get FedEx labels, UPS labels straight from Squarespace's dashboard. It's really the easiest way to do business online. So whether you're a photographer starting a new business, reselling sneakers, I'd highly recommend you get your own website. It just looks so much more professional than doing it via Instagram DMs to have your own website with your own stock list so people can shop it just like a real brand. Make sure you go check out Squarespace with the link in the description. You can save 10% with code TOMSTEFANIC. That being said, I am running out of escalator space. Squarespace, you are the best. I'm honestly sort of surprised I finished that whole thing on one escalator.
Thank you so much. Have a good flight.
Why is it snowing? I'm not a fan of this. This sucks. Back in Winnipeg for like 23 hours. Hey Max. Hey Dylan.
What up?
Okay, so 23 hours back in Winnipeg. As I said, it is a busy 23 hours. We have Max in the studio and Dylan in the studio. I don't really know why Dylan's here. Dylan, what are you even doing here? Your phone case is inappropriate. Get that stuff up. Why is this on YouTube? I don't know what Dylan's doing in my studio, bringing in all that smut. And then Max is packing up our mystery boxes.
I was actually going to take these home with me.
Jeez, I need to find better friends. We're shipping out all the mystery boxes. I mean, we started shipping them out on Monday, but a whole bunch more of them are getting shipped out. All these are getting shipped out today, more are getting shipped out tomorrow. If you ordered a November mystery box, thank you for the support. We're trying to fulfill it as quick as possible. There's so many of you ordered them and I haven't been in the country. I appreciate you guys. We're shipping, these are all going out to UPS like right now. Yeah, I honestly forgot how cold it was here and I'm really glad I don't have to spend the winter here. But I'm walking back to my place now really quick because I am meeting up with a kid who watches the videos. I mean, he's an adult, I shouldn't say kid, but he's younger than me. He is giving me a hookup price on an amazing pair of shoes that I needed to add to the collection, but I was in Tokyo when they released, so I had zero chance of picking them up. Quick stop at the ATM, then shoes. Oh my goodness. Bad, terrible, scummy people in life. I feel so bad for this guy. I've met him at a bunch of lineups, seems like a really nice guy. I'm not getting the shoes anymore. He just phoned me. I'm walking back to my place from the bank and he phones me and says, man, the shoes, my jacket, my school book, my school bag, sorry, got stolen out of his locker at university. That sucks so much. Can you imagine going to school, your winter jacket, it's cold, your bag, your shoes that you're going to sell for hundreds of dollars at the end of school, gone. Because someone broke into your locker. That's really terrible. People, stop being assholes, stop being bad people. Don't do shady stuff like break into a guy's locker. Just don't do that. Okay, I should also say Dylan is here for another reason. Hey. No gang signs on my channel. Dylan's not actually gang affiliated, he's just a bit of a goof. So, when I was gone in Japan, there was the Travis Scott release. I tried to get them, I couldn't get them. Lots of you guys said I disrespected an entire nation. We're not gonna get into that. Not getting into that. Dylan was a huge help and filled out the raffle here in my absence. Yeah. First ever livestock raffle.
First one ever. Who would have known?
And he freaking won the freaking Travis Scotts. Do you know how many livestock raffles I fill out? Hundreds. Hundreds is how many I fill out. They hate me. They have me blacklisted. Livestock, do you actually have me blacklisted? If you have me blacklisted, take me off that list, please. Dylan won his first ever raffle. I mean, I also love him because now we have been blessed with a pair of the Travis Scotts. Dylan, thank you so much. You're the best person ever.
You're welcome.
I mean, I'm the best person ever, but he's like top 10. He doesn't need to know that. Dylan, you're the best.
Yeah.
Look at these. You can see through. That's sick. Without the paper, you can see the shoe through the box. That's cool. I mean, it's just clear plastic, but it's still pretty cool. So even after that huge debacle in Japan, Tokyo, I got to take a look at these, but like not really a huge look at them. I want to take a better look at, I mean, it's such a freaking crazy pair of shoes. I say this now having a pair in hand, that this is the best Travis Scott. I know that sounds crazy, because I mean, look at the Travis Scotts that have come out. We've had Jordan 1s, we've had Jordan 4s, Jordan 6s, Jordan 1 lows, and then the Air Force 1s and stuff. The Air Force 1s are boring. I just think the other Air Force 1s are boring. It's cool that the swooshes are removable. It's white canvas, it's cream canvas. It's pretty boring. Jordan 4s are pretty sick. Jordan 1s, I love what they did with a backward swoosh, but the colorway isn't anything super special. It's just like mocha. It's just brown and cream. Like, it's nothing that crazy. These, the amount of execution, amount of time, the amount of creativity that got put into this pair of shoes just blows the rest of them away. Even if you don't like the colors and stuff, you have to say creativity. This one is the best by a country mile. I mean, let's count. There is long-haired suede, there is leather, there is long-haired suede, there is denim, there is corduroy. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 different panels of different materials, different patterns. I didn't even count these. That's 2 more. There are so many different materials on this shoe. I've never seen anything like this. Like, you have camo, you have corduroy, you have random writing in different alphabets, you have Cactus Jack written in that yellow station, you have, I don't even know what half of this stuff says, but they look just well done. Yeah, wow, I am so happy to have these. We're gonna have a pair of these included in the December mystery box for you guys that are interested in that, and maybe even 2 pairs because the resale price isn't even that bad on these. Wow. When have you seen corduroy, suede, and burlap sack all in the same shoe? This is the point I'm trying to make. I can't say it enough. I'm just belaboring the point at this point. But I want to hear you in the comments on a final note. Hit me in the comments. What do you think of this shoe? Do you love it? Do you hate it? And what do you think of the amount of paneling on this? Because I think this is just a genius pair of shoes. I love these. You could throw them on with like the pants that I'm wearing right now. Easy, game over. You could throw them on with some black denim, easy, game over. Some regular camo pants, easy, game over. Some regular cargo pants, just black cargo pants, easy. Khakis, easy. Corduroys would look sick. Black corduroys or like some dark. Okay. UPS closes in like 12 minutes. They're gonna hate me so much. I'm so glad I'm only here for 23 hours. I forgot it gets dark at 4 o'clock. I know it probably gets dark at 4 o'clock in New York too. It just feels worse when it's negative 80 degrees. Dylan and I are gonna go pick up a raffle for, what are they called? The Peace Minus One? Minus Peace Love? Peace Minus One? Do you know what they're called?
I have no idea what we're talking about.
It's the Air Force 1s that come out this weekend. They look really cool. They have like paint strokes over the midsole. They're doing a raffle, which even if I win, I will not be in the city to pick up. Do you want to pick up my pair if I win?
Can I get half the money?
I'm not gonna win. Okay, raffle ticket. Dylan also, Also got his raffle ticket.
Yeah, got another one. Let's go.
There's zero chance I actually win this. Well, this is disappointing. Popeyes, at least Canadian Popeyes, doesn't even have the chicken sandwich. I wanted to have a hyped up chicken sandwich. Dylan, they don't have the chicken sandwiches in Canada.
Chicken fingers. Just as good.
You're eating my spicy ones, dude. Calm down.
Am I?
You ordered the mild ones, you're eating my spicy. Freaking
would I know the
nervous kid.
difference?
I'm taking this amount of your fries. He's eating my spicy. Who orders mild tenders?
How do you know the difference?
Because these ones have spice, those ones are not spice.
Where do you see the difference?
These ones are darker and orange. These have orange, those don't have orange.
That's actually funny.